Well, top of the morning to you. It's just about 12 noon on this is February 8th. And this is this week's lecture and announcements. First of all, you should all have your books by now, the River Reader and the Bedford Handbook. And we have assignments from each of those this week. Now, for the Bedford Handbook, you're going to do entries 4, 5, and 6 this week. However, an important note, entry 4 is not chapter 4. It covers chapters 19 and 20, which is on, those two are on run-ons and fragments. How to punctuate and avoid run-ons and fragments in your essays. Entry 5 is chapter 6, and that's on argumentative writing. And your research paper this semester is going to be an argumentative essay, long argumentative essay. So do chapter 6 for entry 5. Then entry 6 is chapters 50, 51, and 52. And this entry introduces research writing, which is similar to what you've been doing on your modules. You've been introduced to research writing, and this will just supplement that. So take your notes on entries 4, 5, and 6, but remember, it's not chapters 4, 5, and 6. It's the chapters I just told you. And I wanted to just remind you on your Bedford entries, it's typed and it should be double spaced and about 2 pages for each entry of 4, 5, and 6. Now, for the River Reader, you will be doing write-ups on 3 process essays this week from the River Reader. Again, you're going to be writing an outline of about 1 page, typed double spaced, and you'll be writing an evaluation or critique of about 1/2 page. Last time, a lot of you forgot to do the evaluation and critique. That is separate from your outline. So these 3 write-ups are actually entries 4, 5, and 6. And as I said, they are process essays, which tell you how to make or do something, which is the type of essay you'll be writing the week following this one. Process essays tell how to make or do something. These 3 essays incorporate a lot of significance as well as telling how to make or do something. And when you write your essay next week, you will conclude your essay with a discussion of your significance. Okay? When you write your 1-page outline this week, you will end it with a brief statement of the author's significance in the process essay that you're reading in the River Reader. Okay, so you will write, after you write a 1-page outline, you'll be writing a 1/2-page evaluation critique that'll be typed and double spaced as well. So you'll have about 1.5 pages typed double spaced of each process essay in the River Reader. That's entries 4, 5, and 6. When you do your River Reader write-ups, don't forget to label and write the thesis statement at the end of your introduction of your outline. Okay, again, you can get help with finding this thesis at the end of the author biography for each of the River Reader essays. Okay, Now, your third assignment this week is your research modules. Don't forget to do that one as well. Now, a little scheduling change for next week. Next Monday is President's holiday. So we can't do anything on that day as far as the lecture goes. I'll be doing the lecture on Tuesday, February 16th. Now, next week, February 16th through 21st, you'll be writing a process essay. Again, how to make or do something with significance. You can get your prompt on Monday, May 15th if you want to start early. Otherwise, I will present the process essay information on Tuesday at noon and be giving you all the details on how to write that essay. It's pretty straightforward, fairly easy to write if you've got a good process that you want to tell about. Okay, so this week you're doing your Bedford, 4, 5, and 6, your River Reader, 4, 5, and 6, and your module, your research module. Okay, so that's about it. Do you have questions? End of the lecture, do you have questions?
I had a question about the Bedford entries. I imagine there is a reason that you're having us type them out, so excuse my ignorance if I'm missing it, but do you care if we do handwritten notes that we scan in?
I prefer the typed.
Okay.
Okay, double space though.
Okay.
And remember, these aren't like a formal essay. If you have a few little mistakes, I don't mark down for them. As long as you get your good 1-page outline and half-page critique evaluation. Oh, you're talking about Bedford. So for the Bedford, it's 2 pages. You could do bullet notes if you like. Okay. And again, little mistakes don't matter.
I have a
Okay.
question.
Uh-huh.
So you said something about modules. Do you mean the interview report?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the individual modules on the research information that you get each week. So if
Okay.
you go to week 3 and go to the modules, it'll be right there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Other questions? So if you have any others that you think of later, be sure to email me. You can email me on my regular email or on my Canvas inbox. Any other questions? Okay, have a good week. Take care.